Derivatives of inverse Laplace transform or multiplication by powers of s. We want to prove this topic, which is derivatives of inverse Laplace transform or multiplication by powers of s. If inverse Laplace transform of fs, that is inverse Laplace transform of fs is equal to ft, and f0 is equal to 0, then it can be proved that the inverse Laplace transform of Fs will be equal to f dash t. So derivatives of inverse Laplace transform or multiplication by powers of t states that if inverse Laplace transform of fs is ft and f0 is equal to 0, then inverse Laplace transform of fs will be f dash t. This we can prove in the following manner. We know that the Laplace transform of f dash t, that is the Laplace transform of f dash t, is equal to sfs minus f0. This we already know, that the Laplace transform of f dash t is equal to sfs minus f0. Now here f0 is 0. That's why it will become sfs, because f0 is equal to 0. Because we have already told you that if inverse Laplace transform of fs is ft and f0 is f0, these are two conditions. If inverse Laplace transform of fs is equal to ft and f0 is equal to 0, these are two conditions. First condition is inverse Laplace transform of fs is ft. And second condition is f0 is equal to 0. Under these two conditions, we will have to prove the inverse Laplace transform of sfs is equal to f dash t. So here we are using second condition, which is f0 is equal to 0. And if in this expression, which is Laplace transform of f dash t is equal to sfs minus f0, which we have already proved, if we substitute the second condition, that is f0 is equal to 0, we have L, that is Laplace transform of f dash t is equal to sfs. That is, we can say inverse Laplace transform of sfs will be equal to f dash t. Hence, proved. So, under these two conditions, first condition is inverse Laplace transform of fs is equal to ft, and second condition is f0 is equal to 0. Under these two conditions, we can prove the inverse Laplace transform of SFS is equal to f dash t. This is the statement of this article, that is derivative of inverse Laplace transform or multiplication by powers of t. So under these two conditions, we can prove the inverse Laplace transform of SFS will be f dash t. So we simply wrote our well-known expression that the Laplace transform of f dash t is equal to SFS minus f0. And then we substitute the second condition of this article, which is f0 is equal to 0. If we substitute this condition f0 is equal to 0 here, then this will become simply SFS because second term will be finished. So, Laplace transform of f dash t will be SFS. That is, we can say inverse Laplace transform of SFS will be f dash t. So by this manner, we can prove this article, that is derivatives of inverse Laplace transform or multiplication by powers of s. Thank you.